So I totally underestimated the amount of time that it would take to get all these boards stained and primed. So here we are, let's see, we're on day 4. Day 4, guys, day 4. And I have finally stained everything except for those stinking bathroom ceiling boards that I want to stain, like our doors and trim for kind of a spa-like feeling. But I can't stain those. So whatever, I got to figure that out. But I got all of those stained in 4 days, all the other boards, and it was a lot. Now I have to poly them. So I've gotten some of that done. I would have loved to have been to where I would have polyed everything, had it all done by tomorrow on day 5. And then on day 6, I was hoping to be able to prime those boards with paint. Willow's been super anxious to try to paint as well. And that's fine, I'm gonna let her help me with that, but not the stain. So we're gonna hope and shoot for day 6 being when we do the priming. But tomorrow, as you can see behind me, all this drywall has to be sanded. Of course, not just here in the garage, but in the house as well. And so all of it will have to be sanded so that it's ready for priming and painting. So I was hoping day 7 and day 8 would be of me working on these, not consecutive, but just days working on them, that I would be able to start priming the walls and the ceiling, but that's going to be pushing it. Nonetheless, I'm very thankful to have everything done that I got done, and we'll see how it goes.
Pizza. I'm pretty sure they give you a good amount of salsa, don't they?
So unfortunately, we still have some trash pile here behind me under the blue tarp to keep the rain from saturating the drywall. But thankfully, Mom came down, and Willow, Mom, and I knocked out the trailer with some girl power, loaded it up. I figured it was full enough that I needed to ask Jason if we could put any more in it before he took it to the dump. So at least we got that done. It was kind of overcast today, which was good. It wasn't as hot, but it was acting like it might rain, so I didn't want to move forward with setting up more boards for that last couple of hours that I had here, and just decided to do some much needed cleanup. Are you excited about our shower floor?
Yeah.
That we just picked up at Home Depot?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think about it?
Oh no.
It's kind of hard to see because it's dark as night, but it's like real
nighttime.
Rocks.
Because it's nighttime.
And not just sliced off rocks.
I like the peanut.
Listen carefully. What's that noise? I think someone is playing more than they're working. How does it feel to know you're about to get it licked?
I'll tell you later.
The garage ceiling and the garage walls have been painted. They are done now, and we are ready for garage doors, hopefully this coming week. Okay guys, I finally am happy to say that this morning I got the perfect stain color. I am so tickled to death that I finally figured it out. After all the stock items or what's normally on the shelf and the color that I had in my head that just wasn't coming out on the wood, and after about 7 stain mixtures, different ratios, different products, I finally got it. Thankfully, one of them, they do sell in gallons. The other one, they don't. So maybe a little bit more pricey, but it's got to be something that I can live with forever, because stain is pretty much forever. You know, it's not like paint. And this is going to be all the woodwork, all the trim around the windows, the doors themselves, around the floor, the crown molding that's put up, and even our ceiling in our bathroom. It's all going to be this color. So I'm stinking tickled to death. So all the boards I stained are finally starting to be put to use. The front porch has been built, all but a few steps, and now we're ready to order the metal for it. We also got the main post stained as well today, and now we can move forward with putting siding on since we've got that accomplished.